So today we're gonna go pick up the Focus ST. That is the blue Focus that they let me rent. Not gonna lie, I kind of thought today was not gonna happen at all because basically the video that you guys saw on my previous video, that was technically 2 weeks ago. I told myself I wasn't gonna post that video till the actual day came. Basically they went and said that instead of giving it to me the Thursday or Friday that I was supposed to get it, they were like, oh no, you know, it's gonna be pushed back till Monday. And then from Monday it came to Tuesday, from Tuesday to Wednesday, all this other stuff ended up happening. So basically Thursday was the day I was supposed to get it, but then I asked them, hey, did you guys do my recall? So basically they told me, yeah, yours is affected, but we'll put in the plug in the computer, we'll test everything out, make sure nothing's deformed, everything's good to go. If everything's good, then you don't need it. So that was kind of iffy on my end. I was like, all right, whatever. But it turns out that basically my car was ready from yesterday, but I wanted to give them that extra time to make sure they looked over everything. So now I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna go pick up my car. They're just right there, so close, but yet so far. Oh God, I got my ST back. Time to turn it on. And then all this comes up. So apparently they're telling me is this hill start assist is not available. My traction control is off for some reason. So I got my car back with the new engine. They told me drive it around for a little bit and hopefully it goes away. Maybe it just needs some driving. I'm so happy. I'm not happy about those lights, but hey, that is life. I am just stoked to have this back. One thing for sure is that this ST, from what they told me, is my flywheel has a lot of burn marks and my clutch is also bad, which I don't know how this clutch is bad. There's no slippage, there's nothing when I first had it or before I turned it in. And they told me if my clutch was burnt and all this other stuff, it would void warranty. So I mean, I don't know who to trust. They were charging me 500 bucks just because the engine was already out. It's gonna be like 1,500 bucks once the engine is in. So I'd rather cross that bridge when it comes to it, and I might just go my own route and find someone else. I'm super excited, but with some bad news, it's kind of like that bittersweet moment that you got your car back, but new issues have came up to it, and you know, the dealership cannot explain to me how is that even possible. They told me, did it come in with a check engine light? No, it never did. Okay, well, you know, that's weird. You had 60 PSI on your cylinder number 1, so how is that even possible that you had no check engine light, but your check engine light does turn on? Now in this case, they told me, did you come in with those the traction control off and on the hill start not being available and all that? And I told them, no, that was still good. No lights on this car. So now they're over here like, dude, how is that even possible? I don't know. So they told me, drive the car a bit, you know, take it out for a spin, get it nice and going, and see how that goes. I'm trying to take care of this engine. I'm a little bit terrified right now because I don't want another blown engine, you know? And it could have been just the fact that I didn't break it in properly when I first got it, and that created it to blow up. Who knows? Overall, I just wanted to show you guys me getting my car back. I might do a final walkthrough around once I'm at home, but for now, I'm gonna leave you guys at this. I'll see you guys back at home, and hopefully some good news comes out later on.